to add to the skin, masking is a really good thing. You're looking for firming properties with our pink clay, which is what we're going to use here next on Susie's skin. We're looking to firm, tone the skin, hydrate the skin, and give the skin a nice bloom. So adding your mask is over the face, either fingers or a brush to apply your product. Ours are nice and soft, so we're going to go over this eye area as well and down the throat. Once your mask is set, a quick way to take it off is either by wetting it down with your hands. Masks that dry are a little bit harder to get, so you can just wet it down with your hands just to get the slip back into it. Makes it come off nice and easily. Or a nice way is just to take your face cloth, nice and warm, and just apply it over the skin, soften it down. Can see how nicely the masking leaves the skin fresh, firm, colour nice and even. To really give the skin a boost, do your masking on a regular basis, a few nights in a row, particularly if you have a special occasion coming up. Prior to a special occasion, it's always best to mask 72 hours before, and the skin really lifts and blooms because you've been working on what's underneath the skin as well as on the surface.